Hi guys, I'm Nicolle. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my new series, Bodhrán at the Cottage. So this is our last groove and this is going to be a real groove, and the same as the G groove is a lot longer in the phrasing and it has a little bit more movement, but we'll take it step by step. So first I will play it a little bit faster so you guys can hear the overall groove, and then we'll take it apart, okay? So that's the groove. There's a lot of things, a lot of movement in the back of the hand, but we'll give it a go. So the first time we're going to do is we're going to go into the snare, and it's just back and forth, kind of like a train. Snare, snare, one. That's your main kind of groove for that. Next we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, up, triplet, down. Let's just practice the up, triplet, down. So you're on snare, up, triplet, down, up, triplet, down. And the way I'm doing it is I'm up on the snare just the same as I was here, up, triplet, and I'm kind of pushing a little bit going down, so it makes it like a kind of like a filler. Up, triplet, bass. Triplet, bass, up, triplet, bass, up, triplet, bass, up, triplet, bass. So now let's put it together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, up, triplet, bass. Okay, let's do it one more time. 2, 3, 4, up, triplet, bass. And from here, you have to go back because that's your 1. So even though you're on the bass, it's like if you were on the snare. So 1, 2, 3, 4, up, triplet, 1, 2. So did you see that? It's a big move. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the same as this. 1, 2, 3, 4. But you're all the way down because you did the filler down. You end up do 1, 2, and then you have to bring it back up straight to the pop. Ready? So let's start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, up, triplet, 1. Bring it up. 2, 3, again. 4, up, triplet, down. 2, 3, 4, up, triplet, down. 3, 4, up, triplet. So that's the first part, and you can actually do that on its own. I think it's really cool. I use it all the time. Without the triplet or with the triplet. Without. It's a really nice groove, but we're gonna make it a little bit more challenging and a little bit longer phrase. So now it's a little bit of a tricky part because it's kind of like we're taking away some of those emphases that we talked about before. So I think for now it's best if you hear it and really hear it, listen to this as many times as you need so that you really get it in your ear and in your body, and therefore you can actually play it. So we're gonna do 2 of those groups with the up, triplet, down. But at the end, the second one, up, triplet, down, up, down, up, down, up. So we're taking away things, but it's still the same groove, right? So let's start it from that up, triplet, down. Up, triplet, let's try it one more time from that up triplet. Up, triplet, bass, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So if you notice, the first 2, we have the triplet, but then the other 2 we don't. And I just think it gives a little bit more variety rather than have the triplet every single time. So let's try it again from the last filler. So up, triplet, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. One more time. Up, triplet, bass, up, let's put those elements together. Ready? So we're gonna start on the snare. 1, 2, 3, 4, up, triple eight, bass. 2, 3, up, triple eight, bass. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Let's do it one more time. Let's do it even slower than that. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, up, triple eight. 1, 2, 3, 4, up, triple eight, bass. Up, down, up, down, up, bass. One more time that slow. Ready? And snare. 2, 3, 4, up, triple eight. 1, 2, 3, up, triple eight, bass. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Great. Do you have it in your ear yet? Is it getting a little bit better? Let me do it one more time fast. It's so groovy, isn't it? It's really, really nice. And now for the last part is just bass, bass, bass. That's the easiest part. So after that last bass, up, down, that's one bass. So you need 3 more. Bass, bass, bass. And that will finish the whole phrase. So let's do it again. Let's do it from the last up, down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And even on the 4, you could do 4 or you could fill it up. So up, down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Up, down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again from the beginning. Ready? 1, 2, 3, up, triple eight. 1, 2, 3, 4, up, triple eight. Did you see that? Because I'm here, it's actually you're doing 5 beats, but 1 is the first phrase of it because you're ending the other phrase, but it's the 1. And then the last one is the beginning of the phrase to go up because it's a lot easier to do this again. But you can go again if you want to. That's completely up to you. So let's do it again. 1, Okay, so I'm gonna play it one more time fast for you. A little bit, not so fast, and then a little bit faster so that you guys can hear it. So here we go. So this is a really cool groove. It's for fun. You don't have to play the whole phrase the whole time, but I hope that you can get elements from it. And like I said at the beginning, you can kind of just keep it simple, or you can put the basses sometimes. I wanted to give you lots of options and a longer phrase, but of course you're more than welcome to take parts of it and make it fit the music, because maybe those 4 basses don't quite fit the music at that time. So same with the jigs, please feel free to change it up so that it fits the music, because that's the most important thing. Okay, so I hope you enjoy it, and remember, patience, listen to it many times, make sure that you have it in your body, you have it in your mind, you have it in your mouth, and then you'll be able to play it a lot easier. Have patience, waterfall, and take breaks, lots of breaks, coffee and chocolate, it's all good. And see you next video. Bye.